Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Luna, and today's gonna be so fun. I hope you guys are excited because I am so fucking pumped to open this box. If you guys did not see my last video like this, I bought a Scorpio season zodiac fashion bundle. It's like a mystery bundle from the Stylist Witch, and I unboxed it on camera. So if you want to watch that and you haven't already, I will link that below and right here. So I also, like a week after I bought that one, before it came in, I bought her Venus bundle because she announced this Venus bundle thing, which if you guys don't know from my last video, it's all about goddess Venus and like Friday and Freya and stuff like that. So it's like reds, pinks, it's like Valentine's Day and lace and stuff like that. So I was like, holy shit, like that's exactly what I love. So I had to buy it. So we're here, we are here, you guys. So I have my little eyebrow trimmers I'm gonna use to open this because I don't have any scissors up here. I've had this for a couple days and it's finally time. I'm sorry if it's really dark in here, it's nighttime, but I've got the ambient lighting, so hopefully you like that. Also, I believe that, okay, so the Stylist Witch, she saw my video and she was like, oh my god, we love that. So she loves you guys and she wanted to offer you guys a discount code. So if you guys want to use it, I'm not 100% sure what it is yet, but I will put it here so you guys can use that and get a little discounty off your purchase. I highly recommend it. She's like her own business, so you're supporting a small business and all the clothes are thrifted and it's like sustainable, it's amazing, you're helping a fellow witch and you're supporting a super amazing business. And so I'm not sponsored, I bought all this shit. But yeah, I think it's a really good business and I think it feels so much better to like put money towards businesses that you love and that their message like aligns with yours than like shopping on Fashion Nova or some bullshit like that where it's like, first of all, not even good quality. Sorry Fashion Nova, I have a ton of your shit. Anyway, all that to say, if you want a discount code, use it. Okay, like I said, you guys know how strong I am with this Aries string. It's coming. Are you guys ready? I'm just gonna show you what I see so that we can do this together. Do you guys like my fit? It's my moon cycle, so we're very cozy today. All right, oh my God. I'm excited, I'm nervous. Oh my God, I see so much stuff. Oh, I see so much stuff. Oh my God, I'm just gonna show you guys. I think I see some stuff that I'm super interested in. I think that might be a fucking purse. I'm gonna kill myself. I can't say that, I'm sorry. I'm gonna actually scream though. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys, look at fucking that. Okay, I have a story. I'm a Lana Del Rey stan, and there's this song where she says, baby, put on heart-shaped sunglasses because we're gonna take a ride. And I've been wanting heart-shaped sunglasses for so long. And I found some at Target, but I didn't get them. Then I went back to get them and they weren't there anymore. And I've completed my Lana Del Rey dreams. I can finally sing that song now, you guys. How cute are these? Like, I literally die. They're so cute. They're so cute. I've been wanting heart-shaped sunglasses for so long. They're so cute. I just can't. Okay, and then she always sends me this like little bag with a note. Let's read it. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna read this out loud. Luna. You said you wanted heart-shaped items, and heart-shaped items you received. I'm screaming. This dress reminds me of a rose, and the vibrancy of it matches the accessories too. The sunglasses are so cute, and I'm obsessed with the sequins on the purse. I've also included a piece of rose quartz to further imbue this outfit with love. This look really is sensuous love Incarnate. I said that so weird. That was very Kansas of me. Incarnate. And I hope you feel beautiful and empowered in it. Thank you for the support, and I look forward to our continued relationship. Sending you love. XO Gabby. Loving it. Oh my god. I was right. I told you I thought I saw a heart-shaped purse too. Oh, and there's the rose quartz. That is so cute that she sent that. Your girl can never have enough rose quartz, okay? Oh my god. I honestly feel like the accessories are such a fun part of it. Oh, I got a little sticker. Got a little sticker. Oh, a nice old chunk. Love, love, love that. Oh, I love that. So I'm honestly so obsessed with these. I'm so obsessed with these. You guys, I've been wanting these for so long. I've been wanting heart-shaped sunglasses for so long. And now I finally have. Okay, I'm gonna show you the purse now because I did see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh my god. Oh, I literally cannot. Look at this. Look at how cute it is. Oh my god. I'm just a little heart-shaped girl. And it is so cute. Freaking disco ball sequins. I'm obsessed. I literally did in the message, like you send out a questionnaire when you like put in what you want. And I was like, I would die if there was like a heart-shaped purse or sunglasses. And I was just like, maybe, you know, maybe she'll find one. But literally to get both, that super surprised me. Oh my god, I'm in love with that. Okay, you guys, now onto the freaking dress. I have no idea what to expect. I'm excited. I'm nervous. Here it is. The moment of truth, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh, I love this. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, it's a little off the shoulder deal. Oh, let's look at this. And it's got this like ruffles that, oh, that's so cute. Oh, this is something else. I love that. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't have anything that's like one shoulder. That's so chic. Oh my god, okay. Let us try this on. Are you guys ready? Are you excited to see it? Okay, let's go. Mister's actually very freaked out about the purse. It's okay. It's like inspecting it. Oh, you guys, this is so chic. I feel like a runway model. This feels like high fashion. Isn't this cute? Look at the little ruffles too at the bottom. It fits me super well. And I feel like it like really gives that shape, you know what I mean? Probably wear a bra with this because my titties like to fall out sometimes. What do you guys think? Oh, I think that's so cute. I'm such a fan of the like motion happening. The freaking angles and like the ruching. I just feel like that makes it feel like very like high class and like runway, you know what I mean? Let's try it with the accessories. Oh, so we've got the purse. How cute. So freaking cute. This is like giving me like, I don't know, I'm thinking like the apple in the Garden of Eden and like I'm Lilith, like you know what I mean? I know that wasn't Lilith, it's fine. This feels like a look. Honestly, with these glasses, I feel like the 2000s and I'm living for that. I love this. I'm so excited to hear what you guys think. What is your vibe? What is your favorite part of the outfit? I feel like it's extra purple in here now. So yes, let me know what you guys thought was the coolest thing. Of course, we got our little rose quartz. Got these bad boy sunnies, which I'm so excited about. You guys have no idea how excited I am for this. The cutest little purse too, with these sequins. Honestly, it's like a disco ball. It's like a sexy apple. And then of course, the full ensemble, this little pace I feel it feels retro, doesn't it? Doesn't it feel like, I don't know, I feel like I'm like a mean girl and like a 2000s like Clueless or something. So let me know what your guys' favorite item was in the comments. This was so much fun. I'm having such a fun time with these bundles. I hope you guys are too. And if you want your own, like I said, definitely check out that coupon code. Okay, your girls got you. I'll hook you up. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. And if you saw the Scorpio bundle too, because definitely watch both. They're both really cute outfits. And yes, let me know if you want to see some more bundles from the Stylist Witch, and we will see what we can do, because this is really fun. This is like, I feel like I'm like playing dress up, and I feel like a little Barbie doll, which is so fun. So I love it. And honestly, you can never have enough red dresses. I am such a true believer in that. I have so many red dresses. It's probably because I'm an Aries, but what can I say? I love it, and I'm just so into this. I love all the heart-shaped stuff. You guys know that Valentine's Day is like my favorite holiday, and every day is Valentine's Day with these. And I'm honestly just I'm so into this. This is so cute. Anyway, that's all from me. Having so much fun with this. Like I said, I really do feel like a Barbie doll right now. I feel like playing dress up on myself. Anyway, I hope you guys had fun. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And yeah, let me know what you thought in the comments. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.